Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Reggie Random, with another Hot Wheels unboxing video. And first up, wait, hold on. I gotta put you guys somewhere. Yeah, no. Sorry about that. We got the 2018 Dodge Durango from Matchbox. I already have one of these, but it's good to have another one. Oh, it's gonna be hard, isn't it? Finally. Got it. And here it is. It has a hook on the back. It has the 2018 Dodge Durango lights and everything. And it even has a closed sunroof up there, and you cannot see inside whatsoever. And the wheels, and it's a pretty cool car. Next one is from the Jurassic World car. It's the Triceratops. Yep, Triceratops. Let's open it up. Is it ever gonna take a... Finally, got it. This thing is huge. It has the two huge horns up there. The giant wheels. It's just a huge car all in general. The back, it could probably fit this car in it. Yeah, it could probably fit a smaller car in it. The front looks very truck-ish. It has like a rocky texture up there on the Triceratops head thing. Yeah, nice car. Those are the two cars. Smack the like button and subscribe. Bye. I'll see you guys in the next video.